Hi guys, good morning. In this video we'll talk about Oracle Analytic Functions, which will basically used in the data warehousing. Oracle data warehousing. Analytic functions compute an aggregate value based on the group of rows. They differ from the aggregate functions in that they will return multiple rows of group, and also the group of rows is called window, and it is defined by analytic clause. Analytic functions commonly used to compute cumulative, moving, centered, and reporting aggregates. Analytic functions, also known as windowing functions, allowing developer to perform tasks in SQL that were previously confined to procedural language. So, syntax of the analytic function. So, if you see the below, you can see the syntax of the analytical function. So, analytical function, you can pass the number of argument over the analytical clause. So, analytical clause again will be uh, breakdown in multiple optional elements like query partition clause, order by clause, and windowing clause. So it will have the multiple option under the analytic clause, and in analytical function you can pass the argument and over and then analytical clause. These are the list of aggregate and analytical functions are available in the oracles. So it is very useful functions whenever we are using performing the any logic or calculation on the data. Then these analytical functions are very much needed. So if you see, right, average, max, min, entile, dense, rank, row number, all these are the analytical functions which will be mostly used in the data warehousing day-to-day life, if while performing the integration between the source and data warehousing tables and models. So here let's talk about how we are gonna do write a query for the few of the analytical functions. So here we have considered table as a employee table, which will hold the employee details and along with salary. So if we talk about the uh, query for the average analytic function, so if you see, right, in the select we are selecting employee ID, department number, salary, average salary. Here average is a analytical function, and here salary is a kind of argument, and over partition by department number as average department salary from employees. So if you see this average salary over partition by department number, this is the analytical function which is used here. So this is called average analytical function. Now we have like some analytical functions. So instead of average, we have put up sum, which is used to sum of the salary based on the department for each department. And the min analytical function, analytic functions, which is basically it will return the minimum value for the particular group of rows. Max will return max analytic function. It will return the max salary of the employees uh, for the set of uh, group by department number. We have the order by as a salary. Mostly during the interview, people will ask what is the difference between dense rank and uh, in our data warehousing. So this is the uh, quick session on the row number analytical functions, how we use it in data warehousing. So why we use the analytical function? So basically, while I mean the same kind of process we can achieve through the normal subquery and the join and where clause. However, in the through analytical function, you can quickly achieve the result set by writing just simply the analytical function, and it will be faster when you write the query on the database, because it will be mostly used on the data warehousing where table are used. So it will be better to have mostly use the analytical function instead of writing multiple subquery and then waiting for the result longer. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any specific query, please comment. I will try to give you the best answer as soon as possible. Thanks for watching it.